Hi everyone, my name is Kate and welcome to my channel. Today I prepared for you a recipe for Mazurek. Mazurek is a Polish dessert that's traditionally made during the Easter time, and I thought it would be great to veganize it and share the recipe with you. In the bowl we will place 200 grams of coconut flour, 90 milliliters of maple syrup, 180 milliliters of water, 4 tablespoons of arrowroot powder, which can be also replaced with cornstarch or tapioca flour, and 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. Then we will mix it all very well and place on the baking tray, flattening it. Next off, we will let it bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes on conventional settings. When it is ready, we will let it cool down and prepare the peanut butter cream. For that, we will need 150 grams of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons, which is around 30 grams of maple syrup, and 80 milliliters of plant-based cream. Personally, I'm using oat cream, but you can use any other plant-based cream or even plant-based milk, but just add it gradually to make sure that the consistency of the cream is not off. We will mix it all very well, and when it's all combined, we will spread it on the baked base. Next step is to melt the chocolate. To make sure that after solidifying the chocolate looks good and has the snap to it, we will melt it in a certain way. First, we will ground it, and that will allow it to melt faster and keep it in tempo. In the pot, we will place the strainer and fill it in with boiled water. Then we will secure the bowl on a strainer and put about 3/4 of the grounded chocolate. To help it melt, we will mix it. When the chocolate in the bowl is melted, we will add in a half of the chocolate that's left out and melt it again, mixing all the time. Then we will carefully take the bowl out of the hot water, be careful not to burn yourself, and add in the remaining chocolate and mix until it melts. This process is a little bit annoying, but I promise you it's all worth it. The quality of the chocolate will be just so much better. Then we will pour the chocolate all over the peanut layer and place it in the fridge for the chocolate to harden for about 1 to 2 hours. Then we will cut it into smaller pieces and serve with some chopped nuts. I do recommend storing it in the fridge as it tastes best when it's a bit chilled, plus also that way it will last way longer. If you're interested in Polish cuisine and would like to explore it a little bit more, I will be posting a lot of Polish veganized recipes, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram so you don't miss any of those. For now, you can head over to my website and check out the recipe for Polish street food zapiekanka. It's really delicious and very easy to make, and yeah, if you would like to explore a little bit of Polish cuisine already. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below, it really helps a lot. The full breakdown to this recipe is already up on my website as always, alongside with a free PDF that you can download for a future reference. If you ever tried this one or any other of my recipes, make sure you post it on Instagram and tag me ReShape_official so I can see it as well. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.